Today we are going to draw a cute little frog together. Now let's draw with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Pencil Draw. Get your pencils and papers ready, and let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Leave some space between them. Now, inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Now color the pupils black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and cute. Awesome job! Draw 2 small dots for the nostrils and a mouth using 2 upward curving lines connected in the middle. Start by connecting 3 curved lines to form the shape of the head. Add 2 small, rounded bumps on top for the eyes. Finally, define the cheeks using 2 puffy, rounded curves on either side. Add the folded back leg on the side of the body with a similar rounded shape and visible toes. Follow my lines and draw with me. Add the front legs as 2 small, rounded shapes near the bottom of the belly, each with 3 small toes. Place a small, light-colored oval on each cheek to represent rosy blushes. Draw a large, soft-edged, U-shaped line across the middle of the body to distinguish the lighter-colored belly from the rest of the body. Color the belly a lighter lime green. Color the main body a vibrant green. And the cheek blushes a soft pink. Final touches, add a few small, random dots on the top of the head and the sides of the body to represent skin texture. Great job! I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what animal you want to draw next. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.